In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Amazon Mastercard online. If you're looking for a way to log in and access your Amazon Mastercard account online, then here's how you can do it. Open up a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile devices and go to the search box and type in Amazon Mastercard login and press enter. Doing this will take you to the search result on the next page. Click on this first link that says manage your account Amazon rewards card and it'll take you to chase.com website. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. Now you'll need to type in your Chase account's credentials since your Amazon Mastercard is issued by JP Morgan's Chase. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. On the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your password or your username, you can get help by clicking this forgot username/password link. If you don't have a Chase online account yet, you can click on this not enrolled sign up now link and follow through the prompts till the end. Finally, after entering your credentials, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Amazon Mastercard online. After you've logged in, you can get various benefits and rewards for eligible purchases made on Amazon.com at other participating merchants. That's how you can easily log into your Amazon Mastercard online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do it right now. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.